Hi, my name is Arif, and today we will do yeast metabolism experiment and measure its gas production. To do the experiment, we need kettle, measuring cup, tablespoon, measuring scale, sugar 5 bottles, salt 5 balloons, and yeast. Before starting the experiment, make sure to disinfect your workbench and your hand with alcohol. Then, weigh about 10 grams of sugar. And pour the sugar inside the bottle. Next, weigh about 30 grams of sugar. Next, weigh another 10 grams of sugar. And half tablespoon of salt. Next, weigh about 10 grams of starch. After weighing all ingredients, boil the water and pour about 350 ml of boiled water into each bottles. Let the boiled water to cool down until it reaches room temperature. Then, stir the tablespoon using the lighter. Open the yeast and divide it into 5 portions. Use the measuring scale to weigh the yeast. And pour the yeast inside each of the bottles. After that, attach the balloons on the lids of the bottle. Repeat the method for each of the bottles. Observe the changes of the volume for each balloon in 4 hours time. After 4 hours pass by, we need to measure the production of gas by the yeast in each bottles. First, fill water bottles and measure its initial weight. Record the initial weight. Then, submerge the bottles in inverted direction inside the container. Pull the balloon from the yeast bottle lids and let the bubble to flow inside the inverted bottles. From the control bottle, there is no bubble flow out from the balloons. Next, measure the final bottle weight and record it in the table. Repeat the same procedure for other bottles. For the bottle with 30 grams of sugar, there is more bubble gas flow into the bottle. So, this is the results for each of the bottle with the different amount of sugar and its ingredients. The gas produced is calculated by subtracting the initial weight with the final weight of the bottle in gram. This experiment is observing the metabolic activity of different amount of sugar and ingredients. In this experiment, sugar reacts with water with the presence of yeast microbe, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. These processes are known as fermentation. From the observation, bottle with 30 grams of sugar shown the accumulation of most bubbles due to active growth of microbe, while the 10 grams of sugar shown slower activity of microbe, meaning that more sugar will accelerate the microbe growth, thus producing more gases. Starch shown to be poor metabolized activity,